In this video, we're going to focus on step 3 of our step-by-step process for researching legislative histories, finding a compiled legislative history. If you determine that the law is ambiguous, that the ambiguity has not previously been resolved by the court, then your task is to find whether someone has already done the work to assemble all of the legislative history documents for the legislation in question. This is most often done for major federal legislation. You'll find these published in print in multi-volume sets, online at Hein Online, Westlaw Edge, or on a platform called ProQuest Legislative Insight. To find a print legislative history, you will rely on the library catalog. Publishers of legislative histories are not known for their creativity of titles for these volumes, so a very good starting point is often the name of the legislation, followed by legislative history. Help with the library catalog is always available from a librarian or a law library staff member. It's less common for print legislative histories to be reproduced in digital format, so this is not a step to be discounted, especially for older legislation. We have already used Hein Online for its law journal library. However, this platform has many other resources, including the U.S. Federal Legislative History Library. In this digital library, you may browse for compiled legislative histories by the publication title, the public law number, or by the popular name of a law. So for example, by searching for the popular name of the Civil Rights Act of 1964, I find that there are separate compiled legislative histories available on Hein Online. Contents of the compiled legislative history is organized as it would be in the print edition by volume. Browse the table of contents or search from here. On Westlaw Edge, the collection of compiled legislative histories is called the Arnold and Porter Legislative Histories, so named for the law firm and publisher. Use the strategies for navigating Westlaw with pre-search filters, or call up the collection by its name in the global search bar as you practiced in Unit 4. Finally, ProQuest Legislative Insight is a platform that we have not yet used in this class. It's an ideal source for finding compiled legislative histories, as it aggregates legislative history documents from ProQuest's vast collections of federal material. You will find a separate demonstration video for researching with ProQuest Legislative Insight in this unit.